Have the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Magesi 0, Carling All Stars 3. I'm joined by the best coach in SA, Coach KP.
Oi, Steve.
Fair member?
No, Steve.
I'm not a today, Magesi or Carling.
Whatever, football fan. Yeah. I was here to watch football. Whoever won is fine.
Okay, I'll coach.
Yeah, because if you look at the game, getting straight to the game, I don't think they brought their A game. I think it was just a matter of can tactics work.
Yes, coach.
There were tackles that they couldn't go into, and which is understandable. I mean, they are playing the mighty Baganea very soon.
Yes.
So you can't go all out. So my guess, we can't judge them much as I thought they could have given us a better game than what they gave us.
Yes, coach.
Yeah, but going into the All Stars, starting from the back, Stivo, China, we know what China is capable of.
Quality?
Yeah, as always, the right back, Mukoni, very impressed, confident. You can see the boy is ready. Maybe he's just waiting for to pick him up to first team. But for me, I think he played well.
Yeah.
Let's not speak about height, because Opaseka is playing very well on that height.
Yeah.
You see.
Yes.
So going on to the left back, Sundowns player Utiani, he's used to PSL.
Yeah.
So he did what he's used to. The most interesting thing, still, I came to the game wanting to see is the two centre backs.
Yeah. Aiden
McCarthy and the other one. I forgot that other boy's name. Mbezu or what?
Yeah.
Mbegese or something. Let's start with McCarthy.
Yes.
For me, McCarthy first half didn't have a good game.
Yeah.
There's a lot of balls where he was just jumping all over, you see. But second half, he played well. I think he was way composed now and
more relaxed.
But the other centre backs, Steve, Begezelo, the boys, Steve.
Quality, that man.
Steve, you know, like I said before, if you can see a centre back that plays passes in the middle and they go over the center line, you know you've got quality there.
Is it, coach?
Yeah, I saw the boy, and what made me very excited is that he's a left-footed center back. Remember, they're very rare. Very few. But today we are playing with two left-footed center backs. You see,
in Aiden
and the boy Mbeze or what? Yeah. So I was very impressed with him.
Sure, coach.
I see why our Pirates coach said he's coming to first team. He's arrogant on the ball.
Yes.
Very arrogant on the ball. The boy, it's a right, white trap, right, let's relax. What's the rush? Let's play. It's very rare to see a centre back had a ball can't grip. So I think Orlando Pirates is gifted.
Cooking.
Yeah, if we have that boy, come on. But for now, I don't think he'll go straight to starting because you still have Sasan. But I would love to see him playing with Sasan or Runda.
Yeah.
Because they are very composed on the ball.
As a combo,
I would love to see that happening. So I'm very impressed with him.
Yes, coach.
Going on to the center, Stivo, we started with Uhomole. I had to find the name. Jersey number 8, our Jersey number 8. That boy is something else.
Yes.
You see, if you come to a game, you have a senior player.
Yes.
Having freedom to move around in overs.
Yes.
I mean, what overs was doing is what we are used to.
Yes.
Overs he did nothing that was out of his ordinary, you see. So I can't say much about overs. We know his quality.
Yeah.
But Homole must
quality, coach. Out of 10.
If it was out of 10, Khumulimo would go for 9, mate.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Khumulimo is special.
For this performance.
Khumulimo is special, mate. That guy, you know, he stays there. He allows Batuzi to move
and do his thing.
So if Batuzi can leave the ball in the center, it means he trusts him. So there's something that Sundowns is doing, which is very well.
Yeah.
And we need to give praise to them.
Give credit.
So for me, Khumulimo played a very brilliant game, very crucial game, mate. You know, once you get a CDM or an 8,
yes, coach,
that can also penetrate passes in the middle, it means he trusts himself.
Yeah,
he knows that I can complete a pass. Yeah, he plays 2 touches, 3 is too many. You see, but you cannot overlook Zwane.
as the 10.
You cannot overlook Zwane. You see, for me, away from Uhumulimo, Zwane should be man of the match. That's me.
Yeah.
He did everything right. His goal, pass in the back of the net. Don't shoot, pass, in step. I think, you see, maybe in a PhD view, like you say, Zwane had a brilliant game, Steve. I don't know whether is he being played out of position or what, but I'm still trying to figure out what his best position. Is he better as a 10? I don't think he's that creative, but he has those passes you can see. Yeah, and maybe what he's saying, I don't think as a 10 he would play well. Maybe if you have him Tetwa, the Chiefs, doing the dirty job for him, Zwane.
And as the 8.
Yeah, we can't say much about Umufukeng. We know Urile.
Describe the boy.
We know Rile. No, Rile is world class. Rile is matured. We know he didn't have the best of his game. And remember, it's a friendly game.
Yes.
We've got a big game coming. And then jersey number 22.
Yeah.
A typical winger still.
Yeah.
Give me the ball, I'll produce goals. That's what he did.
2 goals.
2 goals. Young. Apparently the Kaizer Chiefs fan. He doesn't do much. Give him the ball, he'll score. And if you look at all his goals was scored by his weaker foot. So very he's a right footer still. He's a right footer. Just scoring very well with the left foot. He's very well. And then going into the subs, for me still I was very impressed. I haven't seen Tito playing in a while.
Yes.
So I'm not gonna judge him on this game and say I know what Tito can do.
Yes, coach.
But there's one thing still before I leave, I just wanna say, hey, Lodge looks very beautiful in black. Eh?
Why doesn't he come back home?
Lodge looks very well too. In black. I looked at Lodge, I'm like, yes.
Look at him.
If I was given an opportunity to loan him back, why not?
One time.
You see, he looks well in that black. And also the pitch, him on the field, you see Lodge there. Koskotin.
Not Loftus.
I don't know if we can get him back, but yeah. So Steve, and just to give others a chance, Steve, in closing, Steve.
Yes, coach.
I still say, Buffett, Homolemo, Keka. Homolemo, Keka.
Bamushebe. Izandla baphethe umuntu ofuneki.
You see, it's one of those that I always say, if you look at the game, you hardly see them. But if you look at them, you see the whole game.
Thank you very much, coach.
Thank you,
coach.